Hi guys! Are you ready for some July challenge? Because this month's acrylic pouring technique is going to be challenging. This month we are doing a traveling paint kiss. If we haven't met before, my name is Olga Soby and I love doing challenging in our Smart Art Materials community. And if you would like to find out how to participate in the challenge, how to enter to get a chance to win, I'm going to include all the information in the description of the video, so check it out. Alright, so I hope you had a chance to practice regular paint kiss technique because this traveling paint kiss is a level up for that. By the way, speaking of the previous month's challenges, we had so many entries, so many beautiful artworks. I want to thank every single one of you who participated. And because you guys were so active, this month I want to make more winners. So this month we're going to have 5 winners. And 2 of them are going to get $25 Amazon gift certificate from me, and all 5 are going to get a shout out from me on this channel. Again, all the details in the description of the video. Alright, back to traveling paint kiss. There are so many different things you can do with this technique. And of course, the first and foremost is the paint kiss feather. So here are just a few to show you. And I have a video for this beauty, but yeah, they look pretty cool. I really like the way feather turns out with a kiss technique. I hope you guys can see it well. And I have a clear edge for these feathers. Yeah, and I have one more to show you. This one was done a bit differently. This was a soulmate kiss feather, and this one has a layer of resin. Probably very reflecting, but yeah, it's very beautiful, looks really amazing with a layer of resin. So if you want to dab into paint kiss feather, it 100% qualifies for this challenge because this is essentially a traveling paint kiss. So I'm going to include all the videos of the paint kiss feathers that I've done in the description of the video. But today I want to demonstrate different ways to use this technique. Alright guys, so in the first part of the video I want to show you different ways you can travel your cups across the canvas. And since this is a demonstration, I'm just using my old canvas. Alright, so I'm going to quickly apply the black base for today's pour. Alright, so the base layer is done and I already have colors in my cups ready for kiss. And the good news is that for this challenge, you can use any colors you want. No restrictions on that at all. Well, it makes sense to use contrasting colors in different cups, otherwise it's just going to look like a regular ring pour. Alright, so how you can travel the cups across the canvas. So first of all, you can travel them parallel to each other. Yeah, is that parallel? And second, you can travel them in the same line. And right now I'm just going to show you what is the difference in that. Let's get started. So first I want to travel cups parallel and I want to travel them towards me. Alright, so what this does is that, as you can see, it sort of divides your ring pour into 2 halves. Now let's travel them in one line. So when we travel our cups this way, colors from one side turn out inside of the other colors. So I actually really like this effect. I think it looks very neat. Now let's travel it the other way, the opposite way. Ah, cool, right? These two complement each other. Here is orange and magenta inside, here is a blue inside and orange magenta outside. So I'm just gonna quickly add a bit more colors to my cups and show you a couple more different things. Next thing you can do is you can zigzag your cups while you travel in them. So I would move from left to right, but I'm going to do like a short zigzag movement. Okay, here is a tip, and this can make a huge difference. When you do this technique, the traveling paint kiss, put your feet apart. You can't see my feet, but I am putting them pretty wide apart. So when you travel your kiss, you sort of move the weight of your body from one leg to another. This way the movement is smooth, so you don't have to like step, when you're traveling. You just sort of flow it right across the canvas. It does make a big difference, so give it a try. Okay, now let's do the zigzag thing. Okay, so you can see the difference, right? This one is a lot more fluffy. And second, the colors are a lot more blended together here. Like there is line of magenta, line of blue, line of magenta, line of blue. Okay. So last thing you can do, of course, you don't have to go in straight lines. And you can travel your kiss in a random, spontaneous movement. I don't have much room left, but I'll try to show you what I'm talking about here. Okay, well, this doesn't look very good because I didn't have much room to move around, but I think you guys get the idea. And there are so many different things you can do from here. Of course, you can stretch it, and I'm not gonna do it now because if I stretch it this way, I'm going to break this one. If I stretch it this way, I'm going to break all this. But yeah, you stretch it, you can blow the edges, you can leave negative space, you can go totally without negative space. So there are many different things, and I challenge you guys to give traveling paint kiss a try. Be creative, do whatever you want, use whatever colors you want, and let's explore the possibilities of this technique together.